Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your general and love reading hanggang mid-March. Okay, so yeah, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, ito yung kanya pong name sa kanya pong FB page. Ito po ha. And sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message and lumapit. Yes. And syempre, don't forget, na-follow rin yung ating second channel na Love Letter. Pwedeng dun kayo mag-send ng inyong mga love messages sa mga special someone ninyo, lalo na yung iba sa atin na tayo ay na-block na ng mga tao na yun. Oo, pero yes, gawing way si Love Letter para makapag-send, no, para masabi natin yung ating mga ginugusto pagdating sa kanila, kung anumang mensahe yon, no. Sandali lang po ha, parang may naririnig akong natawag. Sandali lamang, oo. Okay, so tayo magbalik, oo. Pagdating sa ating mga items, so yung ating items is meron tayong protection from evil eye, meron tayong ring, meron tayong dalawang sample, dalawang design ng bracelet, isang adjustable, isang garterized. Okay, so yung ating adjustable is available in red string, and ito yung merong initial na inilalagay kami. Okay, so yung atin namang evil eye necklace, protection po ha from evil eye. Evil eye lang talaga ang tawag, kasi ito yun tawag dyan, evil eye. So protection sa mga ibinabato sa atin na hindi magandang energy. Hindi natin alam yun, syempre hindi tayo aware. Oo, and yeah, pagdating sa ating love, anything, situation, pagdating sa love, ito yung maaaring makafix. Yes. Okay, so kung anong kailangan, siya yung magpo-provide. Kung anong kailangan alisin, siya rin ang mag-aalis. Okay? And yung ating granter necklace. So si granter is made to order. This is unisex. Yeah, and this is non-tarnish. Non-tarnish. Hypoallergenic and 20 inches long yung kanyang chain. Pero pwede naman kayong gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto. This is taga-grant ng minamanifest. Siya po yun ha. Okay, siya yun. And tagapagbigay ng mga surprises. Yan si granter. And yeah, available ang cord cutting. This is for our cord cutting. Oo. Sa mga alam na yung cord cut, yeah, meron tayo nyan. And sa mga hindi pa alam yung cord cut, message na lang po. No? Okay, so let's start the reading. Again, kung meron pong tanong, mag-message na lang po. Pero syempre, hindi po agad-agad re-replyan kasi napakadaming inquiries everyday. Yeah, anyway, di ba? Thank you. So, Sagittarius placements, pasensya na po ha sa aking boses, iba yung dating, di ba? Oo, talaga naman. So, Sag, anong meron for you in general? Anong meron in general for you, Sagittarius? Let's see. Sagittarius placement. Okay, may dalawa. The High Priestess and the Seven of Pentacles. Somebody is watching you with big expectations. This could be an earth sign or a Cancerian. They have big expectations. Some of you, this is, sabihin nating work related. Yeah, I don't know if this is like talking about evaluation. Somebody is like nasa lineup pagdating sa promotion. Yeah. So may chance na iba sa inyo, you're under evaluation and hindi mo alam yun. I don't know if alam mo na or what, Pero yeah, meron ditong talagang inaaral yung mga kilos mo, everything, pagdating sa workplace. So, there's this potential na nakikita sa'yo. So, what else for Sag in general? The Page of Pentacles. Something will start. Oo. Let's see. Ano to? The Queen of Wands. Is this talking about opening a business? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Some of you may chance na mas pinipili mo na maging single muna and mag-focus pagdating sa career, sa finances mo, something like that. Okay. Yeah, the Hanged Man in reverse. Going out of your comfort zone. May mga ganyang energy. May mga itatry. Iba sa inyo. Somebody will express their maybe emotion, kung ano man ang meron. I'm seeing offer coming in, lalo na pagdating sa partnership in general. Yeah, okay. So what else? For Sagittarius placements, there's this invitation na kung nakukuha, and yes, you will sabihin nating i-accept mo yung invitation na to. That's specific. Yeah. What else for Sag? Two of Pentacles in reverse. What's that? The Wheel of Fortune. Oh my. Sag, there's this a big opportunity na sabihin kong lalagpasan. Okay, lalagpasan mo. Hindi mo i-grab. May lalagpas na magandang opportunity. Mga Sag. Hindi ko alam bakit hindi nyo i-grab to, or hindi nyo kukunin, or hindi nyo pipiliin, or i-welcome. I don't know why. Oh no. The Magician is in the reverse. Some of you, pwedeng nababatuhan kayo ng evil eye. Kaya, yeah. Yeah, the Hierophant. This is nice. Talking about long-term connection or long-term in general. Talking about stability. Something like that. Pero may black. May black. Sagittarius, binabatuhan kayo ng evil eye. Yeah, binabatuhan kayo. And hindi mo alam yon. Sinong gumagawa nito? Sinong gumagawa? The Knight of Pentacles, somebody na pwedeng walang nangyayari sa kanila, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan or whatsoever. Nababagalan, some of them nakikita nila yung potential mo na mag-grow pa. So, sila yun. Yeah. Yeah, the Nine of Cups in reverse. Somebody na pwedeng hindi nakukuha yung gusto nila. Pwedeng ikaw nakukuha mo. Yeah, this is dala ng inggit. Dala po ng inggit. Okay? So, nakikitaan ka nila ng potential. May chance na pwedeng sila is open din naman for that, pero hindi sila napipili. Something like that. Or hindi sila nabibigyan ng chance or opportunity na makuha yung ganun. Okay? So, sayo na yung offer. So, kung ano man yan, nagkakaroon ng blockage, nagkakaroon ng delays or pending. Kasi nai-evil eye ka nila. Bakit ganon? Kay Sagittarius, ganto, ganyan. Yes. Okay, mga ganong simple. Bakit ganon? Kasi yung energy na pagbato ng hindi okay, bakit may pagtatanong? Bakit ganon? Yeah. Hindi naman magaling si ganyan. Hindi naman okay si See? Ganyan. Yeah. Form of evil eye. Anyway. So, sa love, anong meron? When it comes to love, for you, Sag. So, yun yung nakikita ko for you in general. Okay. What's for you in love? Sagittarius in love. The Knight of Swords in reversed. Who is this in and out? Who is this inconsistent air sign? Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. The Ten of Swords. May chance na kung sino man tong parang hindi consistent, talagang mawawala na ng tuluyan to. Lalo na pagdating sa, pwedeng may mang ghost, pwedeng i-ghost ka nito. Yeah, you're expecting too big o too much pagdating sa kanila, and then, yeah, the backstab nandyan. Sabihin nating endings nandyan with this air sign. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Yeah, the Four of Wands. Meron nang papunta, kaunting kembot na lang, meron na ditong mag-i-end or maghihiwalayan. Kasi something is unstable or inconsistent na. Lalo na pagdating po sa communication. Somebody is like in and out, on, off. Parang ganyan. Lumubog, lumitaw yung person mo. Anong dahilan? They're playing the field. The Knight of Wands. Yeah, they're playing the field. May chance na hindi lang ikaw yung nakaka-connect ng taong to. Yeah. Or maybe hindi lang din sila ganun ka seryoso pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng fire sign. Fire with air. What else? Some of you, meron ditong short-term connection na paparating, and yeah, hindi ko nakikitaan ng sinseridad kung sino man to. Younger fire sign maybe. Pwedeng gustong-gusto mo or magugustuhan mo agad, pero yeah, hindi compatible maybe. What else for air? No, air sign. Why air sign? For Sagittarius, the King of Wands. So, meron kang something na pwedeng magugustuhan. Yeah, see? The Ace of Cups. A new love interest. Yeah. There's this new love interest na pwedeng dumating. Mga Sag. The Sun. I'm seeing this somebody na pwedeng crush. The Queen of Wands is here. So, we have here a pair. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mag-express ng kanilang emotion, or maybe ikaw to someone, pwedeng kasamahan mo sa workplace, sa school, sa gym, something like that. A small, sabihin nating same environment na pinupuntahan ninyo. Okay? So, nandiyan yung sabihin nating energy about, kabado, something like that. No? Yung parang sabihin natin nagkakaroon siya ng nervousness, no? May ganon. Oo. So, there's this somebody, a new love interest coming in. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Oh, the Six of Wands in reversed. They want your attention. Binibigyan mo na ba sila ng attention? Tinatapunan mo na ba sila ng attention? Because they love your attention. They like your attention. They want your attention. You're the star. Like that. Gandang-ganda sa'yo to. Gwapong-gwapo sa'yo. Itong taong to. Some of them, sabihin nating talagang curious na curious. Oo. May chance na maging kayo nitong taong to. Yeah, may chance. Kasi gusto mo rin siya. Magugustuhan mo rin. Uy! Parang high school. Uy! Okay. So, what else in love? Pagdating sa inyo, mga Sag. What else when it comes to love? The Six of Swords in reverse. What's that? Ayaw natin ng ganyan. Something from the past. Someone, I mean. Yeah. Tapos nagpakita pa siya. So, somebody from the past will get your attention. Okay. So, anong meron? Anong kailangan nito? Ba't siya magbabalik? Ba't siya magpapapansin? Anong dahilan? Anong meron? The Two of Pentacles. Because they feel like you're dropping them. Like, totally drop. Yung parang wala na. As in. So, it's like, okay. guguluhin ko ng kauntian si Sagittarius, i-stressin ko ng kauntian, baka sakali, hindi siya totally makalayo-layo. Feeling kasi nila, totally, nakakalayo ka na. Feeling left out yung person. Okay, yeah, the Hermit. Wala nang sabihin nating nakukuha ng idea or kung ano man, balita mula sa'yo. Could be a Virgo. Okay? So, andyan yung sabihin nating mga small hints, signs. Okay? The Page of Wands is getting your attention. Magsisin sa my day mo, like that. Magla-like, magre-react sa mga post mo. Ay, hindi na po kami friend or block ko na po. Something. Gagawa ito ng paraan. Small signs, small hints na nandyan pa rin siya. Like, magpaparamdam. Okay? So, yeah. See? The Two of Swords. Na talagang iiwanan ka ng malaking question mark. Bakit? Kasi yun talaga yung intention nila. Bigyan ka nila ng what? Confusion. Okay. So, yun na nakakuha ko when it comes to love. So, tayo tumungo sa iyong person. The person on Sagittarius mind. Let's see. Who is that person, Sag? Anong meron sa kanya? Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, who is this person, Sag? Anong meron? Share mo naman. Oh. Anong meron sa kanya? Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Six of Wands. Some of them, they get a lot of attention from other people. Oo. The Seven of Pentacles. Ito yung taong madaling, madaling, ang tawag dyan? Manawa. Yes. Number 1. Napaka-specific nun. Ito yung taong madaling manawa. A time waster, some of them. Sandali lang po ha, sandali lang. Okay. So, yeah. So, ito yung tao na napakadaling manawa. A time waster for some of you. Let's see, anong kailangan mong malaman sa sitwasyon. Pwedeng on-off kayo nito. Tingnan natin. The Two of Wands. Some of you, this person is dealing with two people. Yeah, there's these options available, o diba? What's with this Two of Wands? Ba sa inyo pwedeng LDR? Kaya ganyan siya. Hindi niya totally ma-focus yung kung anong meron sa inyo. No? Hindi niya totally ma-focusan. Anong meron sa Two of Wands? Yeah, the Justice. Pagdating sa commitments, pagdating sa clarity, pagdating sa, sabihin nating fairness, no? Hindi siya ganun na ka-equal. Yeah, so may chance na talagang itong connection na to ay sabihin nating may pagka one-sided, no? You're like waiting. Oo, sa sabihin nating specifically their commitments. You're waiting. Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Lahat ginawa mo. May chance. Lahat ginawa mo. So, iba sa inyo, kung ikaw itong nag-step back, you're doing the right thing. If you're the one stepping back, sa ngayon, choosing to step back, yeah, that's the right decision to make. So, ano ba totally ang kanyang totally? Ano ba talaga ang kanyang emotion for you right at this moment? Oh, pasensya na po ha sa aking boses. So, let's see their emotion. The Four of Swords in reversed. And Yeah, the Three of Swords in reversed. Hanap ng hanap. Itong taong to, sabihin natin, hindi ko pa nakikitaan na ready na mag-settle or magpakaseryoso. Sila yung taong sabihin nating collect and collect and collect. Hindi ko pa makita yung select sa kanya. Opo, hindi pa. So, meaning, hindi ka pa niya nase-select. Yes. Now, emotion, 4 of Swords, 3 of Swords, that's 7 of Swords in reversed. May chance na halatado mo na eh. Kung ano talaga, kung anong totoo pagdating sa emosyon niya. Some of you, you're just blind. Blindfolded. Pagdating dito sa connection, you're just sabihin nating, you're just looking sa alam mo. Pero, yung isinisigaw dito is sabihin nating masyado ng halata. Gumagawa na lamang ng paraan or dahilan, rason para maibaling pa rin or maipaling pa rin natin, no, sa tama, kuno yung ginagawa nito. Okay? So, let's see. Alam mo nang hindi siya yung para sa'yo. Some of you. What is their next action towards you, Sag? King of Cups. Anong meron dyan sa King of Cups? Oh! King of Cups. Next action is the King of Cups. Hindi naman masyadong action pack, no? Oo. The Three of Pentacles. The Sun, the Eight of Cups. Nako. Ito na naman. Magaling. So, there's this plan na talagang may involve dito is emotion mo. Yeah. Gusto kanila na parang talagang maging vulnerable sa kanila. They will love bomb you. This person will love bomb you. Breadcrumb you. Yeah. Lalo na kung siya yung nakakaramdam na parang mag-step back ka na. This person is, sabihin natin an attention seeker. They love attention. So, if you're not giving attention sa kanila sa ngayon, gagawa ng paraan to para ma-hook ka muli. Yeah. Planning na maging vulnerable ka muli or maging weak pagdating sa emosyon mo sa kanila. Yeah. So, anong outcome / advice for you, Sag? Let's see. The Nine of Pentacles. Sinasabihan ka na mas maigi nang ikaw ay single from them. Focus on your career. Stability. Six of Swords in reversed. Queen of Cups. The King of Swords. It's like heart over mind. Mind over heart, no? Decisions. Yes. So, the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Swords in reverse, magiging panggulo lang to, no? Sa buhay mo in general. Itong taong to. Kung pipiliin mo nga na palagi itong nandito. Kung pipiliin mo na mahook ka pa rin sa kanya. Kasi magaling siyang manghook. Whether kung ano man ang gender niya. Okay? So, mas maganda yung na-advise talaga dito na if you're stepping back, yeah, sabihin natin ipagpatuloy mo yung pag-step back from them. Huwag ka mabubulagan sa mga gagawin niya kung ano-ano lang. Giving you mixed signals or maybe throwing you, love bombing you. Pwedeng mag-love bomb yan, bibigay niyan lahat sa'yo. Yeah. Pero may confusion na dala yun. Bakit kaya niya ginagawa to? May rason talaga. Kasi they want your attention. And then after that, okay, may attention na ulit siya sa akin. And then, okay, bye. Poof. Parang ganyan. Poof. mawawala na lang ulit siya. Parang di mo na naman siya mararamdaman. Mga ganong bagay. Kasi yes, again, gusto niya ng attention. That's all. Hindi naman siya fair eh. Gagawa lang siya ng action or hakbang kapag parang nakikitaan ka niya na parang umaayaw ka na sa sitwasyon. You're too kind. Yeah, they know you're too kind. You're too soft. Some of you, kita niya yun na may soft spot ka for them. So, yun yung parang tatargetin niya. Your emotion for them. Okay? So, yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you. So, air, Libra, we have here Earth. Yeah, this could be any sign. Okay, so tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Let's see. Aries through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Aries, they admire you. They're healing, or maybe you have to heal from this Aries. Taurus, yeah. Aries, no, pwedeng ikaw nga talagang dapat mag-heal. So, Taurus, I'm seeing here third parties, breakup, separation, na kailangan na talagang i-heal. Gemini, they want to message you. Cancer, isolating, ghosting you maybe. Leo, they want to work this out. Kung anong meron. They want to make up with you. Yan. Virgo, they're holding back. They want to tame you. Gusto kong amuin, mga ganong bagay. Or gusto niyang amuin mo siya. Libra, so, nahihirapan si Libra, lalo na kung hindi kayo nagkakausap sa ngayon. Scorpio, they're regretting something na pwedeng hindi nila nasabi, hindi nila nagawa, they're regretting. Sagittarius, too many conflicts, a lot of mind games. Okay. Capricorn, so ayaw na ni Capricorn na makipag-reconcile, or maybe ikaw itong parang hindi mo na kailangan makipag-reconcile, lalo na kung may third party involved. Aquarius, there's this unfinished business, but still, yeah, nandun pa rin yung burden, nandun pa rin yung bigat. Kasi pwedeng hindi pa rin na-fix yung issue kung anong meron. Clarity, closure is needed. Parang ganon. So, Pisces, wrong situation, wrong timing, lahat is wrong, parang ganyan. Or sabihin nating in general, hindi ko nakikitang magandang takbuhan. Marami ang parang nakaharang sa sitwasyon nyo sa ngayon. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung ating second channel na Love Letter. Nasa description box ang link. Bye! Thank you!